So we are seeing weakness in the stock market last week. So the plan forward is to short the stock market. However, due to the lack of liquidity in August, traders are on holiday, therefore need to plan accordingly. Every Sunday, we come up with the best trading opportunity and share that with you guys. So make sure you stay tuned and subscribe to our channel in case you don't want to miss any trading opportunity. Let me show you my plan. Okay, this is the SPY, so the ETF of S&P 500 from our recommended charting platform TradingView. You need to have a pro account to see the live data. I recommend you do so. At the bottom, there's two very important indicators that I use. The top one yellow line is called accumulation distribution line, so measure the volume of buying and selling. You can see it's slowly grinding lower, therefore we are seeing a bit of weakness through there. The bottom one is the advanced decline line. It tracks the underlying stocks inside S&P 500. Also is slowly grinding higher. Not too much just yet, not as bad as the advanced decline line, but certainly some concern that you need to see. In terms of price action, you can see the trend line that I drew over here is already broken and tested. The best is probably wait for a retest and then maybe like a double top formation to try and sell S&P 500. However, I do think Nasdaq is easier to sell. Let me get to my trading broker to show you what my plan is. So as always, I will recommend you to use a daily chart to plan your trading, because the bigger time frame provide direction and then smaller time frame is just for your execution. You can see on Friday we do have now this is called a low test bar, so I suspect price will bounce a bit higher, coincide with the monthly pivot around this area, so around the 4,500. Then yeah, right price action I could consider to sell it. But I do want to show you something. Drop down to 1 hour. You see it's lack of direction. So you see either you trade a very small time frame, so it's a drop, a bounce, a drop, a bounce, a drop, a bounce. So it's not the easiest to sell, but I do want to sell around 4,500. However, I think Nasdaq would probably be an easier sell. So let's get into the chart on Nasdaq. Nasdaq is weaker. You can see the price action is already selling harder than S&P 500. So let's go to the monthly pivot is probably not as relevant, but still, because it's already way below, which is around the 15,560 area. Price is already below. I think the weekly pivot, you can see from IG, you can easily change to weekly pivot. Obviously, it's not out yet. It's on, is around 15,460. I think it will step down a little bit more, so which around this 15,300 area would be an area that I'll be keeping my close eye around this area. Let me just draw it. So this area I will be looking for rejection and to sell. Perhaps maybe Tuesday, Wednesday would be the day that I look to do that. Okay. But I see a lot of traders still needed a bit more help. Therefore, now I'm trying to do a live trading event on Wednesday. I'm actually very busy. I don't really like to do live trading because I manage my own fund and some of my clients' money. But because some of my members asking for more help on during the week, so I'm doing a special event. You can easily join through our YouTube channel. I'll put the link in the description or also a pinned comment, so you can join that. I'll run that at 5 p.m. UK time on Wednesday. So see how that goes. Hopefully see you guys there. So Nasdaq is easy. I'm looking to sell. Dow Jones is not the easiest because we're ranging around this area here. So what I like to see is price don't break above and stay above 35,600 area. Need to stay below around this area for me to consider to sell the Nasdaq, because I like to see all the same instrument moving in the same direction. Okay, we're seeing more weakness on the Russell tracking the small cap stock. Let's just get rid of that. we're seeing the weakness already, so we could see this happening, and then massive drop. So I could sell the Russell actually, so around this area. Let's just go to the weekly pivot as well. Oh yeah, weekly pivot is already on. Monthly pivot, let's have a quick look. I forgot what. Yeah, it's now there. It could be the monthly pivot area, so it could be 1940 or around the 1960 area for a rejection. Then yes, I'll look to be a seller of the Russell 2000. Again, if you want to set an alert on the IG broker, it's very simple. The first one that I like to sell is probably the monthly pivot, 1943. So you go to the price level, 1000 sell price, make sure you want to be a seller, 1943, and when price get to the area, you will get an alert from IG. Okay, so just set the alert. Okay, that's the plan for the US stock indices. The final one that I'd like to show you is Hang Seng and Nikkei. Let's go for Nikkei first. There's not much action that I like to do with the Japanese index at the moment. It's mainly that I like to see the channel break above or below. My bias is bearish, so I like to see price break this channel first before any action will be taken. Okay, but most likely I will be using it to buy gold or the Japanese yen. If you'd like to learn more, make sure you check out my forex planning, which will come a few hours later after this stock planning video. Okay. So now finally is the Hang Seng. We already seeing weakness. We do have like a flag formation at the moment. Very simple. I like to see this break, sell that down to around this area. So 16,000, 17,000 area. So it's on the list to sell, but not quite ready just yet. All right. So that's all for me for the stock market. I'm bearish with a bearish bias, but probably needs a few days before I will consider to sell NASDAQ. Okay, so see you guys next week. If you have any question, drop me a comment. Thank you so much for watching.